TNGTE Junior 80 words per minute, January 2000. Start. Sir, I thank you for the opportunity that you have given me to speak on this occasion. There are many points to be discussed, but as I have only a little time, I shall deal with only some important points. First, I am sure it will be agreed that food production in our state has increased very much, but at the same time, it will be seen that consumption has also increased. I do not know whether it is due to increase in population or some other factors. In this connection, I would like to make one request to the government. They must see that we step up production so that we may make the state a surplus one. A large amount of money is spent on the three departments about which we are discussing. I have no doubt that we have to spend more money and pay more attention to these three departments. Then I would like to deal with soil conservation work. Great progress has been made in this matter, but it is necessary that more money should be spent on this work. I think that the money that was given by the center last year has not been spent fully. I do not know the position in the current year, but I think that more attention should be paid to this work. Now, I think you will agree that food grains should be preserved so that we may be able to use them if there is scarcity in future. For this purpose, it is necessary to have warehouses. I would like to know how many warehouses have been built so far in various parts of the state. This is a very important thing because we must be able to store food grains properly. If there are no such facilities, the roids will not be in a position to keep the food grains, and there will be a lot of wastage. So, I request the government to pay necessary attention to this matter. So far as credit facilities are concerned, the ROIs do not get loans in time. There is no doubt that many agricultural banks have been started in different parts of the state, but I am sorry to say that there are many areas where there are no such banks. The government should at least do their best to extend the area of operation of the existing banks. Letter from Siva and Company, Bombay, to Messrs. Venu and Company, Velur. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your order for 200 hero pens, but we regret to inform you that we are not in a position to supply them at present, as there is no stock. However, we are glad to offer you our camel pens so that you may be able to meet your urgent needs. We would like to assure you that they are the same best quality as the hero pens. You will be happy to know that the material out of which they are made is of high quality. It will be interesting to note that the price are very low in many parts of this country. This has been appreciated. We have great pleasure in enclosing a copy of our price list and catalog for your information. We shall very much appreciate your kind reply at an early date. Yours faithfully, Stop.